So on this note, class 12C, let us begin with our today's class, change in profit sharing ratio, the treatment of goodwill. In the past chapter, you have already learnt how to calculate the amount of goodwill. You have done it through average profit and weighted average profit method, simple average and weighted average method. You have done the calculation of goodwill with the help of super profit method, and you have done the calculation of goodwill through capitalization method. Depending upon the need of the question, any of these three methods you have to apply. But there are certain more adjustments, or there are certain more accounting treatments which are to be done when the reconstitution of the firm happens. And when the reconstitution of the firm happens, there is a premium for goodwill which is to be paid. Please write down a term called premium for goodwill. And you can write when, due to change in profit sharing ratio, you can write it like question answer only. Question is, what is premium for goodwill? Premium. When, due to change in profit sharing ratio, some partners gain and some partners sacrifice. Some partners gain and some partners sacrifice their share of profit, THEIR, their share of profit. There is compensation made by the gaining partner. There is a compensation made by the gaining partner to the sacrificing partner. Now, because his share of profit has increased, in coming days, he will get more share of profit. For enjoying this facility, he will have to pay a compensation, and this is called premium for goodwill. He will have to pay to the sacrificing partner. This much you have written. He has to pay to the sacrificing partner. Full stop. This amount of compensation is called premium for goodwill. This amount of compensation is called premium for goodwill. Clear what is premium for goodwill? If I gain and you sacrifice, I have to pay you something as a compensation. I will in future enjoy more profits and you will enjoy lesser profits. You will grumble, why will I enjoy lesser profits? So in that case, I will have to pay you a compensation, and this compensation is called as the premium for goodwill. Now children, for this compensation, there can be many accounting ways. Situation 1, you can write treatment of compensation or treatment of goodwill, treatment of compensation / treatment of goodwill, when goodwill is not written off, WRITTEN, when goodwill is not written off from the books of account. When goodwill is not written off from the books of account. Now for this, there are certain journal entries. You can add a tagline, we will pass the following journal entries. Then I will explain you with the help of a question also. We will pass the following journal entries. When the profit sharing ratio is changing and when the goodwill is not written off. The first condition is when the goodwill is only adjusted, when it is not written off. Journal entry for goodwill being adjusted but not written off. What you will write? Gaining partners capital account debit. Gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. To sacrificing partners capital account. For example, X, Y, Z, three of them are there, where after calculation of old ratio, new ratio, gaining ratio and sacrificing ratio, we got to know that X has a gain and Y has a sacrifice. In this case, X will pay something as the amount of premium of goodwill and Y will receive something as the amount of premium for goodwill. So this case is gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. This is the case for fluctuating capital, when there is fluctuating capital. In the narration, in the bracket you can write being goodwill adjusted, being goodwill adjusted, BEING, being goodwill adjusted on change in profit sharing ratio, on change in profit sharing ratio. This is the case of fluctuating capital. Now in this same topic, write down one more journal entry in case of fixed capital. The first journal entry was, you will pass the first journal entry when there is a case of fluctuating capital. Now in the case of fixed capital, in the case of fixed capital, you can write first journal entry as A and second journal entry as B. Case A is when the capital is fixed. Case B, sorry, when the capital is fluctuating. I am sorry. First journal entry will be in the case when the capital is fluctuating. Second case, in case of fixed capital. So this time there will be partners capital account and along with that there will be partners current account also. So you write down gaining partners current account debit. Gaining partners current account debit to sacrificing partners current account. Now this time when the capital is fixed, the adjustment of goodwill will be made through the current account. So gaining partners current account debit to sacrificing partners current account. In the adjustment you can write being goodwill adjusted due to change in profit sharing ratio. Being goodwill adjusted due to change in profit sharing ratio. Now condition B, when there is a concept of premium for goodwill. Condition B is, you can write when goodwill is raised and written off. When goodwill is raised, RAISED, raised and written off. There is a set of journal entries that you will do. First case, in case of fluctuating capital. Case A, in case of fluctuating capital. Now because there is fluctuating capital, current account nahi hoga. You will do the adjustment of goodwill with the help of which account? Partners capital, partners capital account. Okay. So write down the journal entry. There is a little change with the first case and to the raised and written off case. You can write goodwill account debit to partners capital account. Goodwill account debit to partners capital account. For the narration you can write being goodwill raised and credited to partners capital account. First you have to raise it and then you have to write off it. Being goodwill raised and credited to partners capital account. Goodwill raised and credited. Now by far only half thing is done. Raised and written off. Now writing off is also required. Being goodwill raised and credited to partners capital account in old profit sharing ratio. This is also a part of narration of this first journal entry. In partners old profit sharing ratio. Now when it is written off, what will you have to do? Partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Partners capital account debit to goodwill account. So X capital account debit, Y's capital account debit, Z's capital account debit in case there are X, Y, Z to goodwill account. Now for the narration you can write being goodwill written off. Being goodwill written off in partners capital account, in new profit sharing ratio. The same 50,000, 80,000, 90,000 amount of goodwill in the first journal entry, it will be distributed with the old profit sharing ratio, and now when it is being written off, we will deduct it with the we will divide or distribute with the new profit sharing ratio. Because the amount of goodwill is not changing, it will put no impact on the balance sheet. So you can write partners capital account debit. Whenever we credit partners account, means we are giving them something. When we are debiting partners capital account, means we are taking away something from them. So partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Being goodwill written off in partners capital account in new profit sharing ratio. This time goodwill will be distributed in new profit sharing ratio. A second condition. This was fluctuating. The next condition would be of, come on, fixed. Now is the case when fixed capital was there. अब जब fixed capital होगी तो through which account do we deal this? We will deal this through the
current account.
Partners current account. Thank you so much for responding. So you write first journal entry when goodwill is raised. Write down goodwill account debit to partners current account. Goodwill is an asset. It is debited, means it is increasing. Goodwill account debit to partners capital. Goodwill account debit to partners current account. I am sorry, not capital. To partners current account. What you will write as narration? Goodwill raised through partners current account and divided in old ratio. Goodwill raised in the current account and it is done on the basis of old ratio. Okay, goodwill is raised. What will be the next step? Goodwill will be written off. Write down partners which account debit? Come on.
Current.
Yes, partners current account debit to goodwill. Now this time goodwill is divided in which ratio?
A new ratio.
Yes, very good. Now this time the goodwill is distributed in the new ratio. It will have a few changes in the partners capital account, but overall it will have no impact on the balance sheet. Okay, so partners current account debit to goodwill account, being goodwill written off in partners current account through new ratio. Here only please write down one question, then we will move towards the board. Question number 1. A, B and C shared profits and losses. A, B and C shared profits and losses in the ratio 3:2:1. A, B and C shared profits and losses in the ratio 3:2:1 with effect from 1st April 2021. With effect from 1st April 2021, they agreed to share profits equally. Old ratio 3:2:1, new ratio 1:1:1. They agreed to share profits and losses equally. The goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 18,000. Now sometimes this valued at rupees this much, this is not solved and you have to do it. You will have to do it either through average profit or through super profit or through capitalization. So that I am sure you will be able to do because we have practiced a lot many questions. I will repeat the question with you. A, B and C share profits and losses in 3:2:1. Now their new ratio is equal 1:1:1 and the goodwill is rupees 18,000. Let us find out, pass the journal entries, complete the question. Pass the journal entries when case 1, goodwill is adjusted through partners capital account. Case 1, Goodwill is adjusted through partners capital account. Now since goodwill is adjusted through partners capital account, it means they are having a fluctuating capital. Next, case B, you will have to pass the journal entries when goodwill is raised and written off. When goodwill is raised and written off. Has everyone copied the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write down some basic terms before completing this. Old ratio of ABC. Old ratio of ABC. What is the old ratio as per the question?
3:2:1, 3:1.
लिख लो. Old ratio 3:2:1. What else the question is telling you? New ratio. What is the new ratio of the partners?
1:1, 1:1.
Write down 1:1:1. What is the sacrificing ratio? What is the gaining ratio? Put a question mark because it is not mentioned in the question. So sacrificing ratio, question mark, gaining ratio, question mark. Total amount of goodwill 18,000. Total amount of goodwill 18,000. Now very quickly work out with the sacrificing and gaining ratio and tell me. Come on, do this.
Ma'am, sacrificing ratio is 1:6.
Fantastic. You've solved it also. Let others also get time. Let us move towards the board now because we'll be solving it. Is the board clearly visible to each one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the empty space.
Yes.
Don't worry about what was written on the board because we'll do it. Okay, now. The question says old ratio is 3:2:1 and the new ratio is 1:1:1. So old ratio of A, B and C minus new ratio of A, B and C will get you the sacrifice and the gain made by each partner. Now by solving old minus new, applying the formula old minus new, you will see this is 3/6 minus 1/3, 2/6 minus 1/3 and 1/6 minus 1/3. On solving this out, you will get to know it is 1/6 positive, means this is a sacrifice. Also for B, he is not affected, and for C, which was minus 1/6. Now since this is minus 1/6, this is a gain for C. Is this working out clear to each one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the
Yes, ma'am.
first case says when the goodwill is to be adjusted and it is not raised and written off. The partner's capital account is fluctuating money. Let us find out what is the amount of compensation. It is 18,000 multiplied by what? Multiplied by the fraction. 1/6 plus minus ignore 18,000 into 1/6. How much this turns out to be?
3,000.
This is rupees 3,000. This is the amount of goodwill or the compensation or the premium of goodwill which is to be paid. Now tell me, C has gained, B is unaffected and A has paid. Who will pay the compensation and who will receive it?
Ma'am, C will pay.
C will
And A will
give
give.
and A will receive. So for case A, I hope the board is visible to each one of you. Just a minute. Is it visible now? Properly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first tell me, has everyone copied this working note? We have to calculate the old ratio, new ratio, sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. Also, the compensation of amount of goodwill which is to be paid. Now, in case A, the journal entry that will be passed is gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital. So, C's capital account debit to A. A's capital account. What shall be the amount?
Ma'am, 3,000.
Very nice. Gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. Please write the narration. Goodwill adjusted through partners capital account. Goodwill adjusted through partners capital account in case of change in profit sharing ratio. In case of change in profit sharing ratio. Now condition B. What is condition B? When the goodwill is raised also and the goodwill is written off also. First of all, when the goodwill is raised, what you have to do is you will have to provide it to partners capital. So here you write goodwill account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account and the third partner to C's capital account. Now since total amount is to be distributed, what we are going to do is 18,000 divided amongst A, B and C. Now tell me which ratio, old ratio or new ratio?
Old ratio. Ma'am, old ratio.
It will be divided amongst A, B and C in 3:2:1. Tell me the amount for each member. 18,000 into 3/6, 18,000 into 2/6 and 18,000 into 1/6. Work it out.
Ma'am, for A, 9,000.
Very nice. For B, quickly, come on.
6,000 and 3,000.
For B it is 6,000 and for C it is, come on, 9,000, 6,000 and for C
3,000.
it is how much?
3,000. 3,000.
So 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. 9,000, 6,000 and 3,000. What is the narration? Being goodwill raised. Goodwill raised. Okay? Have you all copied the first entry? First case? Should I rub it? Should I rub this section?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next step will be goodwill is to be written off. What you are going to do? So this is case B, first journal entry. Case B, second journal entry will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit and C's capital account debit. Yes, goodwill is written off. ABC debit to?
Ma'am, to goodwill account.
Very good, thank you. Okay. Now since this is goodwill written off, how will we divide 18,000 rupees? We will divide in the new ratio. 1:1:1. Tell me, what shall be the amount of goodwill?
6,000.
6,000 for each one of them. So partners capital account debited in the new profit sharing ratio and goodwill total amount is credited. What is the situation? Meaning goodwill written off. Goodwill written off in partners capital account. Goodwill written off in partners capital account. Can you see the board clearly now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So case B, first journal entry at the bottom and the second one on top. Copy it. Also show the working notes, how you have calculated the old ratio, new ratio, sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. How you have divided 18,000 in old profit sharing ratio 3:2:1, and how have you divided the profit sharing ratio, the goodwill in new ratio, that is 1:1:1. Copy it down very quickly and confirm if it is done. A very simple small question was there. Have you all done it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now all those who have a book, kindly go through all the illustrations and all the questions of at least this topic. You will be able to do now question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are questions where journal entries have to be passed when the goodwill is adjusted and case when the goodwill is raised and written off. I guess this much should be enough. Now please pay attention to the other side of the board. Can you all see the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after completing this question, just quickly write down these steps. They will help you to complete the questions. The topic that we discussed today, treatment of goodwill. Quickly write down step 1, step 2 and step 3 are there. First step is to calculate the new ratio, old ratio, sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio of each partner. Second step is calculation of the amount of goodwill. Why have I said calculation of amount of goodwill? Because in that question it was given 18,000. But sometimes you have to calculate the amount of goodwill using average profit method, using weighted average profit method, using super profit method. So in that case we have to calculate the amount of goodwill also. In your book, question number 5, 6, 7, 8, all are based in totality on these journal entries. So calculate the amount of goodwill and also the compensation payable. Remember we calculated 18,000 is the total goodwill, but 6,000 is the amount which is for compensation, if you remember. So calculate the amount of goodwill and the compensation payable. Copy it down right now. And the third step is the accounting treatment or the journal entries as per the question. Here, 2 cases can be there when goodwill is adjusted and case B when goodwill is raised and written off. For both these, you have written journal entries for each one of them. Copy this down and then it is over for today.